Magandang araw po sa inyo at welcome back dito sa ating YouTube channel. Atisa Manalo naging emosyonal ng pag-usapan ang kanyang pamilya. Pero bago ang lahat ay huwag kalimutang mag-like at mag-subscribe na rin kayo para updated kayo sa ating mga latest issue. At lingid po sa ating kaalaman doon po sa mga nagtatanong kung may dugog banyaga ba itong si Atisa Manalo. Ang sagot po dyan ay oo. Dahil ang ama ni Atisa Manalo ay isang Finnish o taga Finland, pero hiwalay na po ito at wala na pong direktang komunikasyon dito sa kanya at sa kanyang pamilya. So pinost po ito ng page sa Pinoy History at para doon sa mga nagtatanong kung si Atisa Manalo ay isang pure-blooded Filipina. But lingid po sa ating kalaman, siya po ay may dugong European or itong taga Finland. So sabi dito sa post ng Pinoy History, ayon kay Atisa Manalo, wala siyang ganap na komunikasyon sa kanyang ama na si Atis Vinson na isang Finnish o taga Finland. 62 years old na ito ngayon at may ibang pamilya na. Naging emosyonal si Manalo nang tanungin ito tungkol sa detalye sa kanyang paternal family at sinagot na lamang ng isang ngiti ang medyang nagtanong at pinigilang lumuha. Nagtaka si Miss Finland, Miss Universe Europe 2024 nang bigla siyang nilapitan ni Manalo. Marami itong tinanong tungkol sa Finland at pakiwari nito na interesado si Manalo na kitain ang ama pagdating ng panahon. Sa kasalukuyan, si Atisa ay 27 years old na at ang kanyang pagkapanalo sa pinakamataas na corona ay nakamit niya sa ikatlong pagsali mula pa noong Binibining Pilipinas 2018. Saad niya, huwag sukuan ang pangarap dahil ito ang magsisilbing gabay natin sa tamang pagkamit nito. Kailangan natin bumangon at iayos muli ang paa at tumindig para magpatuloy. So mga kapolitika, namimiss po absolutely ni Atisa Manalo yung kanyang ama at napapansin lang din ng karamihan na yung mga sumasali dito sa mga beauty pageant ay hindi buo yung kailang pamilya, most especially na yung kailang mga parents ay may dugong banyaga, so naiwan sila dito sa Pilipinas kasama yung kanyang solo parent. So yun po ang napapansin ng karamihan. Isa na nga dito itong si Venus Ra at even itong si Chelsea Manalo at marami pa pong iba. At sabi rin po ng ibang netizen ay bakit daw natin pinapakailaman ang mga pribadong buhay ng ating mga kandidata. Well, siguro lang ay dahil nga sila ay mga public figure na or popular na sila, siguro na pag-uusapan ng mga netizen doon sa mga curious kung saan na yung mga parents nila. Okay, but siguro ay bilang netizen ay maingat rin po tayo kasi baka magkaroon ng emotional effect sa kanila on the other hand. So siguro ay dapat din na respetuhin din natin yung kailang privacy, okay? Na kung saan ay pumanaw na yung kanyang ama. So yun po. At talagang pag may dugong banyaga mga kapolitika is iba po talaga yung lahi or yung mix ng Pinoy kung ikukumpara mo sa ibang mga bansa. So, yun po ang napapansin ng karamihan na iba po talaga pag dugong Pinoy at dugong banyaga yung maghalo. Okay? Agree po ba kayo mga kapolitika? Mag-comment down below at huwag kalimutang mag-like at mag-subscribe na rin kayo para updated kayo sa ating mga latest issue.
Celebrating, but you can never please everybody.
Yes,
What do you,
course.
alam mo na yung tanong, di ba?
Yeah,
What do
ano?
you want to say to those audiences and of course the spectators who felt na parang, who gave you, kumbaga, their own opinions, unsolicited opinions about the performance you just had?
Well, as beauty queens, we always get that. When
Okay.
you're a public figure, you always get unsolicited advice or opinions, and I'm used to it. It's nothing new, and I just hope that when people give these pieces of advice,
Oo.
that they remember to be kind. Because at the end of the day, even though we don't read most of it, because I don't read it naman eh, kahit anong sabihin nyo, I don't read your comments, but sometimes when something gets through, let's remember that we're still people. We still feel things.
Ganda.
Yeah.
Oo. Maganda yun. Maganda yun. Ang ganda ng shinare mo. But third time's the charm, all throughout your journey. Ano yung naging proud ka sa sarili mo sa lahat, besides getting the crown of course. Yung parang, did you have a time to reflect already and say na parang, oh my gosh, andito na tayo. Di ba?
For me, it's fighting for my dreams. Because it's so easy to get distracted with what other people say. Especially, palma, may isip mo na parang, oo nga no, ba't naman paulit-ulit ako? Or ba't nga, baka tama sila? Like, because sometimes we put the opinions of others in our head, even though we don't think of ourselves that way. But sometimes it still gets through. So, I'm proud of myself for fighting for my dreams and pushing for it. Doesn't matter what people say about it.
That's nice. I love it. And what are you going to be focusing on right now as you go and get, the road? You're on the road to the crown.
For Miss Universe, I really want to be fit because I don't want to be sick in
Okay.
Thailand
Oo.
before fighting.
Saka Thailand to, girl. Di ba? Alam mo na, powerhouse
Exactly.
tayo.
Dapat I'm in my best form, best shape, and everything. So I'm gonna make sure that I'm really, really fit for Thailand.
Oo. Fit for, humanda na sinawat.
Yes,
Ano sabihin mo sa mga bago nating mga handlers ng Miss Universe org? Kasi isa yan sa pinaka tinitingnan ng mga fans, di ba? At syempre talaga kung bakit excited sila na ikaw ang lalaban.
I'm really excited also to meet everyone that is part of the Miss Universe organization.
Oo. And in this day and age, how do you plan to keep Miss Universe relevant in a world full of hyper-paced trends, super short, what's his focus of people? How would you keep it relevant?
I think it's the thing about Miss Universe as a brand itself. It's classic, it's timeless. It's always been there for a very long time. And just making sure that we keep up with the trends that are happening right now while keeping our timeless essence, which is helping people and be inspiring people.
Are you still gonna go and do charity sometime off before you go and embark on the big pageant?
Of course, one big part of being Miss Universe Philippines and working with Miss Universe Philippines organization is working with our partner organizations like Love Yourself, Save the Children,
Yes, yes.
Pearls, and these are things that we are gonna work on with the organization.
Hindi mo pa rin
itself.
talaga siya. Kumbaga, tututukan mo pa rin siya
Yes.
side by side with your
Of
training.
course, yeah.
But-
That's my duty.
Yeah. What's gonna be your focus? You said fitness is what you want to achieve
Yeah.
more when it comes to the big day. Pero ano pa yung iba mong tututukan?
I'm gonna make sure that I train really well speaking, like communicating, because I feel like that's a big factor in being a Miss Universe. They're looking for a spokesperson, not just someone who's beautiful. So I'm gonna make sure I train for that as well.
Nice. Parang ano na nga parang hindi naman kailangan na.
Bala, but thank you.
Pero nakausap mo na ba yung mga fans mo, lahat ng mga sumuporta sa'yo? Did you get to exchange messages with them? What was the pinaka heartfelt maybe it on top of your mind because there's thousands of course na talagang tumatak sa puso mo?
One of the ones who've always been supported me, his name's Michael, but he runs the page Atisa Universe. So, like he's been supporting me since last year, and he said to me that thank you for winning this for us because it shows us that we should also go for our dreams.
Aw.
Like doesn't matter what people say. So I'm like, for me, as long as I touch one person's lives or make them think about the way they live their lives, I already did my job.
Oo. Pero wait, so sa mga journey na tatlo to, 'di ba? Na tinahak mo. Ano yung tingin mong ginawa mo this time around that made it the perfect timing for you? Yung feeling mo lang. Kasi syempre perfect timing ni God yan para sa'yo.
Oo,
Pero
of
'di ba, yung
course.
tingin mo lang na feeling ko kaya ako to na nail talaga is because of this.
I made sure I was less in my head. Because the thing with me is, sometimes I try to aim for perfection. It doesn't exist, you know?
Yeah,
But I
oo.
still try, and sometimes I get too in my head. I overthink things, and when that happens, when you're always in your head, you don't get to experience things anymore. You're not in the moment.
Oo.
And this year, I made sure that I'm just in the moment. I experience things. I talk to people. I'm actually there, not somewhere else in my head.
That you're trying to be.
Yeah.
Ang ganda. And then, ano yung niregalo mo sa sarili mo?
Ngayon,
Wala
wala pa. Siguro yung rest.
Laging hindi ka pa nga nakakapahinga sa'yo.
Hindi
Bumalik
pa
na yung
nga
boses mo.
Bumalik na yung boses ko kasi after the pageant, 2 days after, wala akong boses.
Oo.
Like zero. Pero ngayon, bumabalik na siya. So,
Wow.
I
Pero-
just gotta nurse myself back to
Oh
health.
my God. But ready ka na? Kasi next week daw, media rounds na.
Simula ngayon, ito
Oh,
na.
ito na. O, next week ka. Ikot ka.
Kaya nga,
Ikat ka sa lahat ng networks.
ngayon, bukas, dire-diretso na to. But
Oo.
now I'm living my dream. I asked for this. Like, I gotta be ready. Mag-vitamins na lang ako.
Besides your mom, who's your number one supporter?
My little sister.
Ano sabi niya? Gusto din ba niya sumali? Ito rin ba yung ano niya?
She's more of a dancer. She tried pageants, and I told her that, you know, it's a different world. You gotta be strong for it because people will always have something to say about you.
Grabe yung fans ng pageantry kasi, di ba?
Diba? Iba. You've seen it. You've seen it. It's so different. And she's more of a dancer. And she's like focusing on building other dreams more than like pageants.
I love it. Uy, Atessa, thank you so much.
Thank
Congratulations.
you.
Papa na lang. Yes. No. Papa, biro lang ako.